Ready for adventure? Let's go with Tiny Turtle Tales!
Pack your towel, don't forget your hat. We're off to the beach, imagine that. Flip-flops on and a big sunscreen. Time to make the shoreline scene. The beach day, hooray! Let's jump and play. Splash in the water and dig all day. Build a castle, ride the waves. Swim like fish and dance in caves. Buckets, shovels, and a kite so high. Look at it soaring in the sky. Seashell hunting, what a treat. Wiggle your toes in the sandy sea. Beach day, hooray! Let's jump and play. Splash in the water and dig all day. Seagulls singing, boats go by. Paint the ocean with the sky. They say time under the umbrella shade. Juice and fruit and lemonade. Then back we go for one more dip.